Welcome everybody back to the channel. Today we have a little bit different of a video for you, and we are joined by a very special guest, my wife Megan. There she is. We're gonna be going to this old, what is it, a junkyard kind of thing?
It's called Old Car City.
Old Car City. Okay, so it's about an hour away from us. Looks pretty cool online, and so we're gonna check it out. However, we thought it was gonna be sunny, and it is not. Let me see if I can show you. It's starting to rain, so that is off to a good start, Megan. No, I'm sure it'll be fine. It's about an hour away, so we're gonna see what it's like. If you guys have ever been there before, put it down in the description below. I know this is a little bit different video than what you're probably used to at this point, but still car related, so we'll go check it out. Let's go see what it's all about. Oh, and there's a car.
Ruining your vibe.
Ruining the vibe, ruining the vibe. Off we go. Well, look who we have here. She's got her stuff. There she is.
Got some snacks.
Some snacks.
And a beverage.
Snacks. We made it about, I don't know,
Half
half hour, and we needed a snack and a soda.
Caffeine.
Not me. I'm doing no soda. No soda November.
Listen out.
Just kidding. Back on the road. I think my car's got allergies, Megan, or something, because I keep hearing this like choo. Like, let's see. Yeah, choo. I don't know. Better give it a Claritin or something. Claritin Clear. Wow. Interesting. Well, we're here. Check it out. Let's see what we got. Right, Megan?
Right.
Right. All right, let's go. Look at that, man. Wow, this is pretty cool. Bargain house. Apparently this one is kind of famous. What you say, like Good Morning America person saw this, named it. That's pretty wild. I think that's been here for a little while, Megan.
Oh man.
That was just my femur. That was my leg.
That was really loud.
That was really loud. Whoop.
Interesting. Should I be concerned?
Yeah, maybe. What did you say? Watch for a tap.
Oh my god! Don't do that. I'll pee myself.
Mustang. Another one. Mustang.
This is a Mustang.
Another one. Yeah. Oh, hey, Megan, there's a Mustang over here. Graveyard. Oh my God. Guess what it is? It's a Mustang, and this is the Mustang channel. What, Megan? It is a circle. A circle of life. Actually, this is a circle of death. Oh my. Megan, there's a toilet over there. You could pee if you needed to, which you do need to, I know.
You know, I have to go to the bathroom over time.
Okay, well, I'll just keep the video going over here, and then you can use the bathroom. What?
Megan.
Oh my God. I swear that wasn't done on purpose. Megan. Oh, this is definitely your car. It has your name all over it.
Almost looks like my handwriting.
Does it?
My handwriting's pretty poor.
I don't
Don't worry,
think
guys.
so.
I didn't write that.
A little bit more. I'll get it. I get it. Wow. They're all coming to get me. That literally was not done on purpose. Like, I meant to kick this out of the way, but then I got whipped in the face of the other one, and then I was shuffling to my right foot. Before I knew it, I had no more feet left and no more hands left. Well, everybody, I know this wasn't the video that, you know, we kind of expect on Daily Driven with the Mustang and everything. However, I think this was a super fun day and wanted to share it with everybody. We really could come back here again and again and again and probably not see half of what they have here. So if you guys are in Georgia and you guys have been here, leave a comment down below, or if you've heard of this place before, let me know, because really when we were looking at it, I didn't hear of it before. But apparently a lot of famous people have been here. Oh my God, there's a crushed Mustang. That's not good.
How fitting.
How fitting. But yeah, we really appreciate it. Any new folks to the channel, I always appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.